Hello students, I am Gaurav Malik and in this video we will learn about subject and predicate. Any sentence is made of two parts which are subject and predicate. That means subject plus predicate makes the complete sentence. What is a subject? Subject is the part of the sentence that tells what or whom the sentence is about. A subject replies the question what or whom. For example, the sun was shining brightly. In this sentence, if we ask the question what we are talking about, we get the answer the sun. That means it is our subject. In the same way, a rich merchant was passing by the shoemaker's shop. If we ask the question who we are talking about, we get the answer a rich merchant. This is our subject. What is a predicate? Predicate is the part of the sentence that tells what the subject does or is. For example, every student finished the exam. In this, if we ask the question what the subject does, then we get the answer that the subject finished the exam. It is our predicate. In simple terms, we can say what is not subject is predicate. Look at the following sentences. He lives in Delhi. If we ask the question who lives in Delhi, we get the answer he, which is our subject, and rest of the part is predicate. In the same manner, the man from the shop knows my father. If we ask the question who knows my father, we get the answer the man from the shop, and this is our subject, and the rest is predicate. A subject can be noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase. For example, Radha went to market. In this sentence, Radha is a noun. She went to market. Here, she is a pronoun. My mother's sister went to market. Here, my mother's sister is a noun phrase. Here, we can see that Radha, she, and my mother's sister are subject. That means a subject can be noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase. A predicate is verb or verb phrase plus all the words after the verb. For example, the muscular man pulled the truck with a rope. Here, pulled is a verb, and along with all other words, it makes a complete predicate. Predicate tells what is said about the subject. We can say that subject is the naming part and predicate is the telling part. Subject in imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences that gives command or order. Their subject is always you. For example, stand on your head. Here, you is hidden and it is the subject of this sentence. You is understood before stand. Here, subject is understood rather than expressed. Sentences with there plus a form of verb to be. In such sentences, there is not the subject, it only signals that the true subject will soon follow. For example, there were two men following me in the street. Here, if you ask the question who was following, you will get the answer two men, which is the subject here. In the same way, there was a stray kitten hiding under the porch steps. Here also, if you ask the question who or what was hiding, you will get the answer a stray kitten, which is the subject here. Compound subject. A compound subject is a subject made of two or more simple subjects. For example, my brother and I cannot come to the party. Here, my brother is the first subject and I is the second subject, which jointly makes a compound subject. Here we used two subjects and linked them with and. A compound subject usually includes words to link the simple subject together, such as and, or, and nor. A compound predicate. A compound predicate is two or more verbs or verb phrases that share the same subject and are joined by a conjunction. A compound predicate may also include additional words that give more information about the verbs or verb phrases in the sentence. For example, the duck flew overhead and landed in the water. Here, flew is the first verb and landed is the second verb, which along with other words form the compound predicate. Here is an exercise for you. What you can do, you can pause the video and do this exercise. You can leave your answer in the comment section below. Best of luck. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos.